Hi, Year 10. I'm just running through what you're going to do in today's lesson. If you're not receiving feedback from me, or if you've already received feedback from me on your work, this is what you need to do for this lesson. So your task is, and you should have already done these things, you need to write an introduction for your body paragraphs. Some of you would have already done this, and this is for the Boys Don't Cry text. So by now you should have um, written two body paragraphs, one on audience, one on purpose in response to the Boys Don't Cry text, and you also should have written an introduction, okay, for those body paragraphs. So in total, you should have 3 paragraphs. I'm going to look at these and give you feedback on them. And whilst I'm doing that, if you're not receiving feedback from me, here's what you need to do. So I have put a sample paragraph on the screen here, as you can see. I want you to read this Peel paragraph. This one is on purpose. And once you've read it, I want you to grade the paragraph according to the criteria here, which I'll take you through in a second. So you can click on the criteria sheet, and I want you to read the criteria carefully and assign a grade for this paragraph. Once you've done that, I would like you to rewrite this paragraph in your book, okay, not typing. Remember, we're practicing for the exam. So anything that you marked them down for, I want you to try and improve it. How can you take it from, if you said it was a C to a B, or from a B to an A, or a B minus to a B plus, okay? So that is the first thing that you need to do. The second thing that you need to do is I've also put, say, a quarter of a Peel paragraph on the screen here. Now, this is an unfinished Peel paragraph, okay? It's on audience. I want you to read what's written so far in this paragraph, and what I would like you to do is write the rest of it. Copy this into your book first, and then write the rest of this paragraph. Try and make it the best paragraph you possibly can, all right? And try and keep what's already existing there in the paragraph on your page, okay? Once you have done those two things, what I would like you to do is I want you to swap your introduction and your 2 body paragraphs with a partner. You're then to grade your partner's work using the same criteria that you used to grade that sample paragraph on the screen earlier. I want you to give each other feedback based on why you graded each other the way that you did. And then, based on that feedback that you've been given, you can revise, edit, and rewrite your work. And you should have also received feedback from me. If I don't get to you this lesson, just know you will be doing the same thing in tomorrow's lesson, okay? So if you have any questions, let me know, but that is what you need to be doing while waiting for me to give you feedback on your work. When we look at the criteria, Year 10, this is what our criteria looks like, okay? So in the first box here, you can see that you are being assessed on your knowledge and understanding of the text, and that your references to the text are well chosen, and that they effectively support your ideas. So how well have you explicitly analysed the text? And have you used enough evidence? So remember, I said 2 pieces of evidence. Are the references to the text well chosen, and do they really support the person's ideas? Okay, that's the first 2 things that we're marking each other on. The second thing here, criterion B, is the essay demonstrates a consistently insightful and convincing analysis and evaluation of textual features and the author's broader choices. So what that means is authorial choices. How well do they identify and analyze the effect of authorial choices? That's what you're looking at here in this second one. And that also means, have they really explained and have they given us an insightful analysis, or are they just stating the obvious? Okay, something that's really obvious. Criterion C, the essay is well organized, it's balanced, it's cohesive, okay, and they have a clear thesis. The line of inquiry is well developed, means their thesis is clear and understandable. Supporting examples are also well integrated into the structure of paragraphs, so that's your evidence. And here we're looking at the language and the register and how appropriate it is. Okay, team? So let's get to